Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Gaga Poko story summary. Gaga Poko vs. the Trash Monster. Gaga Poko, the little superhero chick in an astronaut suit, lives in his space vehicle above the city. One day he receives an emergency signal. The city is in danger. A huge trash monster is spreading garbage everywhere. People are afraid to go outside because the streets are so dirty. The trash monster wants to rule the city and make everything trash forever. Can Gaga Poko stop him? What will our little hero do? Let's find out. Gaga Poko quickly leaves his cozy home. He flies through the clouds and over the tall buildings. Below him, he sees the whole city covered in trash. There is plastic everywhere, in the streets, in the water, and in the trees. There is also smoke coming from big piles of garbage. It's really stinky. Even the sun can't shine through all the smoke. It's dark and dirty. Oh no, the trash monster is destroying the city. But wait, what's that? A small bird is sitting on a nearby building. She's scared and crying. Help, help, she says. My friends and I were playing in the park, but then the monster came and threw so much trash at us that we had to hide. Gaga Poko knows what he has to do. He wants to help the little bird and all the other animals and people in the city. But first, he has to get some advice. Gaga Poko flies to the biggest tree in the city. On one of the branches, there's a house made of twigs and leaves. An old turtle is sitting at the door. He's very wise and always knows what to do. Hello, Turtle Elder, says Gaga Poko. The city is in big trouble. The streets are dirty and dangerous. Everyone is afraid. What should I do? Says the Turtle Elder, thinking for a moment. Don't give up, little friend. You have to believe in yourself. You are strong and brave. Also, don't forget, you're not alone. Many pairs of hands make light work. Work together with the others and you will be stronger. Thank you for your advice, says Gaga Poko. I will try. And he flies back into the dark and smoky city. Everywhere he looks, he sees trash and garbage. It's really sad. Suddenly, he hears a loud voice. This city is mine, trash forever. The trash monster is shouting, You can't clean here. I am strong and you are weak. Haha. He throws more garbage on the ground. No, clean and green, shouts Gaga Poko. He wants to show the monster that he doesn't have to be afraid. So he takes off his helmet and the monster sees it's just a little chick. Ha ha ha, are you a superhero or a chicken? Both, says Gaga Poko, and I will save this city. Then he puts his helmet back on and takes out his super cleaning spray. Be gone, dirty stuff. Go away, nasty trash. Clean and green forever, he sings while he sprays. All the dirt disappears. Wow, but it only makes the trash monster angrier. No cleaning, he shouts. He takes a big, stinky piece of cheese from his pocket and throws it on the ground. You can't beat me. This city will be trashy forever. But Gaga Poko is not afraid. He knows what the Turtle Elder told him. He's not alone. He takes a deep breath, puffs out his chest, and shouts, "Pick up the trash. Put it in the bin." All the children come out of their houses and join him. Yes, cleaning. They shout and pick up all the trash. Gaga, Poko, and the children clean and sort the waste. They put bottles and cans in one container, paper and plastic in another, and leftover food in a third container. Soon, the big piles of garbage are gone. The children are happy. They sing and dance and clap their hands. Yes, yes, cleaning, cleaning, they shout. The trash monster is getting weaker. His face turns green. No, 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 you can't beat me. I am too strong, he says. But the children and Gaga Poko continue working. Together, they are stronger than the trash monster. Yes, cleaning, they shout, and the monster becomes smaller and smaller. Finally, he shrinks down to the size of a little mouse and disappears. He squeaks and runs away. When the streets are clean, everyone cheers. We did it, they shout. Gaga Poko is so happy. He takes off his helmet and shows the children a beautiful blue sky. Look, the sun is shining again, and there are fluffy white clouds. Now birds can sing and play, and people can enjoy the fresh air again. Thank you, children. You are the best. The children laugh and play until it's time to go home. That evening, Gaga Poko sits next to the turtle elder under the stars. Today was a great day, he says. Everyone worked together, and now the city is clean again. I am happy. Me too, says the turtle. You were very brave today, little friend. Remember, together we are always stronger. We can save the planet. Keep the earth clean, says Gaga Poko. Clean and green forever, answers the turtle. The end. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.